Welcome back to another episode of Let's Learn About Rangelands. In this episode, we're going to talk about the Tallgrass Prairie. Stretching from Texas in the south to Manitoba in the north, the Tallgrass Prairie stretches along the spine of the continent. Formerly covering 170 million acres, most of this is now gone, only 1 to 4% currently remaining. Precipitation ranges from 40 inches in the southeast to 20 inches in the northwest. 75% of this precipitation is during the summer growing season. Soils in the Tallgrass Prairie are generally mollisols, very deep and very fertile. These deep and fertile soils support cultivated grasses such as corn and wheat very well, which is why most of the Tallgrass Prairie has since been tilled up and turned into agriculture due to the production capabilities of the land. The Tallgrass Prairie also developed with heavy grazing by wild ungulates, mainly bison, and is one of the most grazing-resistant types of rangeland there are here in the United States. Fire is also extremely important in the Tallgrass Prairie ecosystem, and in a pristine prairie condition, it would burn entirely every 3 to 4 years. This also helped keeping the system to be grass-dominated, as the fires would kill off the trees. Two species of grass dominate the Tallgrass Prairie ecosystem, little bluestem and big bluestem. These two grasses comprise 80% of the plant biomass by weight in the Tallgrass Prairie. On the eastern edge and along riparian zones, oak, cottonwood, and elms are important species as well. Not to be left out, forbs, including lead plant, sunflowers, and coneflowers, among others, are also very common in the Tallgrass Prairie. Despite what a drive-through in a car might lead you to believe, the Tallgrass Prairie is also home to a wide variety of animals. The Tallgrass Prairie Natural Preserve survey found 150 birds, 39 reptiles and amphibians, 31 mammal species, not to mention the very many insects and other invertebrates that inhabit the Tallgrass Prairie. As mentioned during this video, most of the Tallgrass Prairie has been tilled up and turned into agricultural lands. However, there still are some remnant prairies that you can go and visit. The Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve in Kansas and the Tallgrass Prairie Reserve in Oklahoma being two of these. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Tallgrass Prairie with me. It's an absolutely beautiful ecosystem and one that unfortunately there isn't much left of. I highly encourage you, if you're ever in Kansas or Oklahoma, to stop by the reserves that I mentioned in the video. Thanks for watching, and next time we're going to talk about the mixed grass prairie.